Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we got this.
Oh.
So,
Put it in your mouth.
Juan, move over here so you can see it.
No.
We're doing the shotgun challenge. This is Juan first. Go.
Walele.
Okay. Where's my fucking... Go, 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 go,
Go.
Move back here. So far, so good. You can see Hector. That's Hector right next to him. Juan's hands are full. I think he lost him more than drinking. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, here's Hector up next. Want me to do it? Wait, move over here so I can be in front of the camera. Wait. Okay, right there.
Oh shit!
Open the top. Open the top. Go. It didn't do it. Look at the camera. Go. Go. That's Hector. Hell no, that was funny as hell.
Okay, you go.
You get my drink.
Do what I need. I want to do it again. What? Can you get another time? No. I want to do it again.
Okay. So I'm the last one. I'm scared.
Shit, so we just drop it on the floor? No, I pick it up later.
Okay. I got this. No, we don't. My iPod! Oh no! Okay, I got this. Okay. Shotgun challenge. 6. Squeeze it. I'm gonna go faster. Squeeze it. I burned. Oh, look at my iPod. Oh. So basically, I failed. Hector was an epic fail.
Hector didn't even count.
Freddy.
Nah, he did.
Freddy was good. Oh, and our iPods got all wet. They're gonna be sticky. No. Subscribe. Wait. Pause it.